What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can create a YouTube channel promotion, aka a YouTube video promotion that is focused on getting subscribers. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. So let's get started. First off, you need to go to your YouTube studio right here and go under the content bar. Under the content bar you have these different content categories, so just be sure to go under the promotion tab. And then you will be right here. So from here simply click Get Started. Then select a metric that you are looking for in your YouTube promotion. So I'm looking for audience growth, so I will just leave it as it is and click Next. Then you will need to select a video from your channel. So just click on this Add button right here and simply select one of your uploaded videos. Or you can search them in the search bar. I will select this one and then simply click Next. And here is the most important part. So because we're optimizing this for subscribers, you will need to select the countries that are most likely to subscribe, which are usually India, Philippines, Bangladesh, and some other countries that we will add later. But first you need to remove the countries that we don't want, one of them being United States. From there just click on this empty field right here, and then we will select our other countries. So this is a pretty good country group to get subscribers. After you select these countries, you can click on Advanced Targeting. So depending which language you speak on your YouTube channel, you would need to select that language. So for this channel, I will just select English. And there we go. So now YouTube will only target people from these countries that also speak English. Because if they don't speak the language that you inputted here or the language that you speak on your YouTube channel, they will not understand your videos, and therefore there is a much lower chance that they will subscribe. So once you selected the countries as well as the language of your channel, you can click Next. And here we're on the budget tab. So you can select your currency and the budget that you're willing to spend. For the first test, I would recommend about $10 or $10 to $25. So I will input $10 here, euros for me. And then you would need to select the end date. So today is November 15th, but these 2 days are also blurred out because YouTube needs some time to approve this promotion. So I will just select the end date as November 22nd. And here is an estimation of how much views you will get with this amount of funds. So it estimates about 300 to 3,000 views from this promotion. And this is the maximum amount that will be spent. Also, here is some notification that says that promotions with a total budget of at least 75 euros tend to have better performance, but I didn't really find that to be the case. And the second tab says, based on your total budget, you'll spend an average about €1.25 and 25 cents per day until the end date. So once you inputted everything on the budget tab, so selected your budget and the end date, you can click Next. And then you will be on the billing tab. So as you can see here, a Google Ads account will be created for the promotion of this video. And this account will be linked to your channel, and YouTube will use this account to bill your promotions. So here you just need to enter your billing information, which we will do right now. And there we go. Once you inputted all the payment information, then you can just click I agree to Google Ads terms. And then click on this promote button right here to finish up the whole process. And now you need to verify that you're you by clicking continue right here. Then a new pop-up window will load for the payment confirmation. So I will just confirm this payment on my phone. And once I confirm it, this window will redirect me back onto the promotion page. And there we go. The video is now being reviewed for the promotion. So under the status, you can see that the promotion is pending and the goal is audience growth, aka subscribers. And the cost at this moment is 0, but as the days progress, this will grow up to 10 euros. So that's how you can create a subscriber growth centered promotion on YouTube Promotions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.